Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'm excited to share with you the beginnings of the items I've made for my tier tray. Today I'm making little Easter bunnies in their own little holders. What you're going to need is a package of these fillable bunny Easter eggs. You'll also need 2 regular fillable Easter eggs, some jute twine, some reindeer moss, a package of the felt sticker carrots, the bottom of a fluted wine glass, the plastic ones. The first thing I did was I took my heat gun and I melted the bottom and top of one of the Easter eggs to try to flatten them. And then I took some hot glue and I glued them together, and I laid something on the top to make sure that they stayed straight. And then I thought this pink was a little too plastic looking, so I used some Waverly Ballet Slipper chalk paint and I coated the glued egg together. And then I took some acetone and I wiped the pink off the ear of the bunny. And you can do this or you don't have to do this, but I used on one of the eggs, I put a little bit of masking tape on the face, and then I painted the eggs white with white chalk paint. And here you can see when I took the tape off, you can see that it's not painted. And then I used, I still had some headband left over from my Peeps project from the other day, and I cut out some ear and I glued them on to the bunny so they were more 3-dimensional. And here you can see I actually did one egg with the masking tape and one egg without, and just no difference, so don't use the masking tape if you don't want to. And then I used some jute twine and I only wrapped the top portion of my egg holder. And I put my bunny into the egg holder and I glued a big pom-pom to the bunny's butt. And I gave him a jute bow tie. And that one is complete. For the second one, I only used half of the plain Easter egg. And I glued the shorter half to the wine glass stem. Once the glue set, I added more hot glue and then I covered the stand with reindeer moss. And then I took some jute twine and I wrapped the bottom of the egg holder. I once again added my bunny, gave it a ribbon for the ears, glued on a carrot and a tail, and that bunny is complete. This is what the bunnies look like side by side. And I hope you enjoyed my project. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. I'll be back again soon with another tier tray project. Thanks for watching. Take care.